Hello, everybody. Sorry, I'm eating my lunch today.
I made her talk with her mouth full.
She did. It was kind of rude of me.
We've got Miss Allen joining us today, Miss Haley Allen.
Haley, can you say hi?
Hi.
And she's and she's eating her lunch too.
Yes.
So
She is one of our wonderful pre-AP students.
she is. She gets
to watch herself or hear herself on video today or this week.
Yeah, you get to hear yourself. Okay, so here we go. We are solving systems of linear equations by graphing.
Oh, this is so much fun.
Okay, so this sounds kind of scary. Like a 7th grade, taking an 8th grade class. What solving systems, you guys? This is super duper easy.
Yes.
Okay, raise your hand if you know how to graph.
Hey! Oh, me!
Okay,
I
so
totally
we know,
raised my hand over
if
here.
you know how to graph, this should be a piece of cake. If you
Yes.
don't know how to graph,
Please come see us.
Okay, it is gonna get a little crazy, but you will be fine. I promise. Here we go.
Okay, just bear with us on this nice, long learning curve.
So
It's
listen
okay.
to it, read it carefully, and then we're gonna tell you the shortcut.
Yeah. We will identify and verify the values of x and y that simultaneously satisfy two linear equations in the form of y equals mx plus b by finding the intersection of the graphed equation.
Goodness gracious. Okay, first let's look at the word simultaneous.
Simultaneously
That means
same.
at the same time.
Time.
So we are going to graph two lines.
Whoa, it's going to create an x.
And wherever they
Cross. That's
boom,
my answer.
That right there
I
where
totally
the dot
put a
is.
dot on your
Right
finger.
there. That is going to be the answer because we want the x and we want the y.
That solves that problem.
Correct.
Cool.
Okay?
So that really wasn't as hard as we thought it
Yeah,
was.
no, it's not.
It's just wordy.
It's just wordy. Very wordy. Here we go.
So we've got y equals 4x, y equals 5x minus 4.
let's not do that one first because they're going to have to manipulate this one.
okay.
Let's do this one first. My bad.
sorry.
That was my fault.
We're
Completely.
going to really do y equals x plus 3 and y equals negative 2x plus 6. First off, you want to know what I noticed about these before we even start? This is a positive slope and this is a negative slope.
Okay.
So one goes puff, puff, positive, one goes nice, negative.
did not.
I did too.
You did not say puff puff. Oh,
Because all my kids, whenever I say, is this positive? They go, puff, puff, positive. I love it. It makes me happy.
I don't think I've had one pre-AP, one on a test. One on a test, but other than that, no one's really talking about it. Okay,
I
so
love it. So-
obviously, and also, we don't have all the quadrants because we're gonna just make sure they fall right in here so that we can be able to see
I
it.
hope they fall in there.
They should because it's
Okay, cool.
should.
So we've got x plus 3. To graph this, I'm going to start with my y-intercept. It's going to start at 3. And then I'm going to go up 1, over 1. Because my slope is 1 over 1. Remember that rise over run? My slope here is 1, which equals
You didn't
1
circle
over
anything.
1. Because it's imaginary.
I was trying to point that
Oh,
out.
and I'm totally going to change colors when we do this.
Well,
by the
I
way.
was just gonna highlight. This
Oh,
is
okay.
my y-intercept.
Yes.
This is my y-intercept. I
Yes.
just wanted to point that out.
Yes. Now, so I'm going up 1 over 1 just constantly. That's just what's going to happen.
Fun.
I know, I love it. And it's going to go straight through all of those.
Okay, so there's our first line.
Now, the second line. Oh, here's my other color. Yes, I'm making my lines in 2 different colors. I hope we can see that.
Yeah, and circle the slope on this one too. and
The
then I'll
slope
highlight.
is negative 2. And my y-intercept is 6, so it's going to start right here. And as you notice, the slope is negative. Think about it. A negative and a positive, they're going to cross somewhere. And it's negative 2, so I'm going to go down 2 over 1. Oh,
already?
Already.
Already?
Down 2
I'm gonna
over
highlight
1.
the 6 and show that
Down
this is
2 over
our
1.
y-intercept.
Do we see a cross between our two graphs? Because I do. I found it. It's right here.
There it is.
What is that xy value?
Well, our x, it's 1.
1.
And then it goes all the way up to positive 4. So our answer is 1 and 4. Now, the reason why this works is if I plug in this x value in here and this y value
It's
in
gonna
here,
solve that. It's gonna be true.
It's true. But if I also plug it in here,
It's gonna be
also
true as well.
This is why it's called a system of equations
Because you have a system.
going on at the same yeah. And this is just mind blown, okay? So
I love it.
raise your hand if you think it's easy.
I think so. Oh man, I keep bringing my hand where they can't see it.
You're so funny.
Do you
Okay,
want to solve this one, Miss Green?
I do. Let's
Okay.
do this one. We're gonna have to do a little bit of manipulating on this
I
one.
love manipulating equations.
Me too. Okay, so here we go. The first one is going to be 5x minus 4. This is my slope. Okay, and this is going to be my y-intercept. Uh-oh. I don't have my -4 up there. I'm gonna have to just kind of graph it down here. Okay, so my y-intercept, so that this would be my 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm still gonna be able to come into the first quadrant. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So here's my 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where it's going to intersect. Can you see that? Nope. There we go. There they go. There they go.
Yeah.
Okay. And then my 5 means up 5 over 1. So up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. I'm gonna stop right there.
We need like a ruler for these.
You know what? We don't. Look at that. Look at that. Boom.
Oh, Miss Green's amazing.
Okay, and then, okay. What's happening here? My y is not by itself, so that means I'm going to have to do something to make sure my y is by itself.
I think I know. Should I add 5x?
I think that would be a great idea. So I'm going to go ahead and add 5x to both sides.
But wait, hold on, Miss Green. I have a question. Why didn't I divide by 5?
Because we are subtracting here, and when you are subtracting, you do the inverse, which is adding.
But this is a multiplication problem.
I understand that, but we're looking at -5x as a whole right now.
Oh,
we don't separate
so I'm
it
not separating those two
until you get to the very bottom. If you need to, in this case, I don't think I'm going to need to.
Okay, so I don't separate them. I'm just trying to get y by itself.
Right. So this goes away. I'm left with my y, and I'm not going to write 1 plus 5x because I want to keep it in the y equals to mx plus b form. So I'm going to write 5x plus 1. Cool. Are we good? Okay, so this is going to be the new one that I'm going to graph. I'm not going to worry about this one up here. I'm going to worry about this one right here. So my y-intercept is going to be +1.
Okay.
And my slope is going to be 5.
Look at you in that fancy pen.
Oh, I know. Isn't it adorable?
It
I
changes
love,
colors.
love, love it. Okay, so here we go. +1. That's my y-intercept.
Okay.
I should do that in a different color. Am I not? I'm not. Let's do this in. Let's do this in this color. Okay.
Okay.
So here's my y-intercept. I'm going to go up 5.
1, 2,
1, 2.
3.
Wait, but they have the same slope.
So they're still gonna cross.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Okay, here we go. Let's see. Let's see.
No, wait, hold on.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh.
5 over 1.
Hold on, wait, Miss Green, you might be right.
We learned something about this. Don't you
there-
remember?
If they have the
1,
same
2,
slope,
3, 4.
that means that they are.
Let's go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. Say that again.
If they have the same slope, that means they are a
Parallel
line.
Parallel.
Do parallel ever cross?
Parallel will never, ever, ever.
So wait, what's my answer?
I don't know.
Remember how we did this with equations?
Oh my
Oh no! Is there no solution?
There is no solution. Look at that. No solution.
Mine goes poof.
That is awesome.
You know what? I hear them coming back from lunch.
Oh, there's the bell.
There's the bell.
Right
I
on
think
time.
We're out of here.
Right on time, though. We
You're
love y'all.
amazing.
Peace out. If you have any questions, I promise.
Please
I promise,
come see
We're
us.
going to go over this tomorrow a
Yes.
lot more, so don't panic. Just write these notes down. Get ready for your quiz tomorrow, and we will go over it more. Peace
Bye.
out.